Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Hello, in this video I'll teach you how to find the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Here is the problem. 3x to the power of 2 equals negative 2x minus 5. In this expression, we first write this expression to general form. Now determine the values of a, b, and c. Since we now have the values, we have to use the discriminant formula of the quadratic equation formula, which is d equals to b squared minus 4ac. Since the value of discriminant is negative 56, this means that negative 56 is less than 0. Therefore, negative 56 is the root of the given equation 3x to the power of 2 equals negative 2x minus 5.
If you liked, enjoyed, and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Happy learning!